Hello and welcome everyone. We have a pretty basic question. Question name is remaining string. So we have to find the remaining string after count number of this character. So this is the first I character, this is the second, then this is the third, then remaining string we have ng. So if count is 2, so this is the second character. So remaining string is this. We have to return this. If count is 4, so 1, 2, 3, then 4. We don't have 4, so we return an empty string. In this case, I 1, 2, 3, so remaining string is empty. We have to return empty. In this case also. So let's build the approach. We have to find the count number of characters. So we will run a while loop. Let's take I and n. We have to return. We have to run a while loop till we did not reach n, or our count is positive, whichever it is. If our current character s.char at I is ch, means we have found, so we decrement. Then we increment our I. So let's suppose we have here, so this will decrement our count. Now count is 2. At here our count is 1. At here our count is 0. So then I plus plus, so I is here, and this character, this is the remaining string we have to return. So we will run out of this while loop because our count is 0 now. So we will run out of this while loop and we will return the remaining string starting from I. If it is not possible, so I is here, so this will decrement our count, this will decrement our count, this will decrement our count variable, then I plus plus, then we have a remaining string, so this will return the remaining string which is empty. Same in this case, our count is positive but our I reached the n, so we will run out this while loop and this will return the remaining string. Let's run this code. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. And as you can see, our solution is successfully submitted. Thank you all for watching this video.